So this month's kit from Freckled Fawn has pretty bright summery color feel to it. Love this alphabet set. That green, I love that color green. The washi stickers, how fun is that with the watermelon bits, the sunglasses, and the sunshine? Very, very cute. Labels, one of them is an actual sunshine. Those are so cute. The chipboard, summertime, one happy day, enjoy it, take note, loving every second, pretty much perfect, and love being together. Those are precious. These I love as well. I love those bright colors. And then finally, a wood veneer that says, hello, sunshine. I don't know how I feel about these wood veneers that are, if it had been a smaller centerpiece with longer sun sprouts, I think that would have been okay, or just a circle with hello sunshine. That's not my favorite wood veneer. Anyway, I'll see what I have next. So I've done a little shopping for June. I wasn't going to, it's not my birthday month anymore. Last month, May, was my birthday month, so I did a little extra shopping. And so yeah, I wasn't going to do any this month, but I decided to take a break and go by Tuesday morning to see what all they had in. I talked to a friend who told me that they got a ton of new dyes in, and so I went in, and sure enough, you know, I was rooting around through all the stuff, and I found a ton of new dyes, and I purchased some. I did get this We Are Memory Keepers magnetic mat, and you know, if you bought Quick Cuts back in the day and they had the Evolution, well, that's the same company that We Are Memory Keepers bought them out. And so this is one that goes with the big platform, the 12-inch platform. But these mats have magnetic components to them. My original mats that I had to go with that, there's no magnetic in these mats themselves, and the only magnetic pieces are in these. You can see the little magnetic pieces there, but these actually have magnetic to them, so I'm anxious to see how they work along with that. I don't cut larger, longer dies. Ever so often I'll get a border piece out like this one, and you can see that fits on there nicely. But for the most part, the ones that I have with my Sizzix, the little short ones, I think they're 8-inch maybe, that works, you know, most of the time. So that's that. I found this paper kit, and it's a My Heritage from My Mind's Eye, and it's got some lovely papers in it. It's got green and floral and ledger. It looks like a family tree one. Black and white, a gold tone, some brown added in there, another couple of florals, and a wood grain. And this matte paper. I flippin' love this matte paper, and that's probably why I bought it. I don't think that goes on there at all. I think that was from something else at the store. And then, of course, it's got the sticker sheet that goes with it. And I have been doing some heritage photos recently, so this will go in that stash that I have been working with to create those layouts. I think I'm about to put another mini kit together for heritage photos. I said I wasn't going to buy any more of these, but I did. I went through, they were $4.99 each for a full kit. And these are the Click Edition and the Everyday Edition. So you can see, I mean, they are super cute, and they have some pretty generic, like A for Adventure, Fave, You Are So Loved, Everyday, Love, Daily Routine, You Are My Fave, Documented, really generic terms there, and generic colors as well. And then this other one, the Click Edition, it's got Let's Eat, talking about maybe going out to eat, and Oh Hello Today, the number 20, Busy, 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 A Camera with Click, Yes, Floral Hearts, Diagonals, Stripes, emoji face, the word laugh. So you can see there's all kinds of things that you can use with them. This one has the standard rounded corners, and this one has these straight corners. And I like the color schemes for both of these. Yeah, so we'll see. I also got a pack of 100 of the Project Life cards. Now these have the grids, the stripes, and I think some planes as well, because I can use these to cut down to do journaling on. And I have some smaller ones, the 3x4 size that I've had for years. I just need to start remembering to pull these out. And now that I've bought these two new packs, oh my God, I can't believe I did that, but I did. But you know, for $5 each, why not? I did get these magnetic bookmarks. Now this set really matches that Maggie Holmes. Is it Maggie Holmes? Okay, so this one matches the Auburn Lane from Pink Paisley. You can see it's got the same color pinks. It's got that same floral paper in there. Yeah, and it's got a lot of the same feel. And I think I'm going to try and use these with scrapbooking more so than as a bookmarker. We'll see. I do use these a lot. I'm going to try and use these others. And I don't know what collection they're from. It doesn't say on here. But I'm going to try and use them to use it in scrapbooking along the way somehow. Both of those. But then again, they may end up in my planner or in books. I did find these My Mind's Eye Comfort and Joy pocket page cards. And you can see there's a ton of them there. And I just feel like with these kind of embellishments, you can use them on all kinds of cards or scrapbook pages. So yeah. And then I found this set of Dear Lizzie phrase accent and phrase stickers. It's one of those little sticker books. I haven't bought one of these in a long time because the quality has just not been there. But these are the heavier cardstock stickers, and so I went ahead and got these. This may be from an older collection. I don't know. I don't think it says on here what collection it's for. And I'm not well versed enough in Dear Lizzie to know which collection. But it's got the circles, it's got squares, you know, and I feel like it's got some images in here that are, or phrases in here that are okay to use in either scrapbooking or card making. Yeah, so we'll see. A lot of times they'll give you images that you're not going to be able to use so easily, that are more specific to a certain thing. And I got them on clearance. I think it was only 20% off, but still 20% off $1.99. I'm not going to complain, you know. So less than $2, I got all those stickers. And then finally to the dies that I got. This set is tonic, and they are clouds, and there's different size clouds. I think there's 3 there. They're not going to come over sideways where you can see them, but they're super duper cute. This set, I just recently got the monkey one, the die set, and I've got the cat stamps already, but I didn't have the die, so I was able to pick that up, so that makes me happy. I got this Jane Davenport, and it's a floral image, and it also embosses, I think is what it said. I don't care anything really about the embossing, but I really like the idea of the dies. And then these flowers, they can be stacked or used individually. And I think that says Marissa Job. Maybe it's the designer. They're called laced flowers. And it shows you the image on the back with the flower there. It's a super cute floral image. So that's it. That's the extra that I got this month. I don't perceive that I will be going back out to Tuesday morning the rest of this month. Yeah, I have another kit coming soon. My Felicity Jane. And other than that, I think that's all I'm going to have besides my... Anywho, guys. So we'll see what I have next. Super excited about this one. This is from Love with Lizzie. I ordered this back in May, on May 1st to be exact. And I ordered it for these stamps. Let me take them out of the sleeve. It's so shiny, I don't know that you'll be able to see them very well. So these are nurses, and it says flatten the curve, get well soon, angel without wings, can't wait to see you, not all superheroes wear capes, looking forward to brighter days, and thank you for all you do, hang in there, and wishing you well again. Because I'm in the medical field, I love these stamps, and I can see using them on cards for the people that I work with all the time. So I was super excited when I saw that, and I decided to order them. And then I saw that they had a stamp set back in stock that they had last, I think it was last Halloween, and it was called Spooky. Happy Halloween, Spooky, and Trick or Treat. And these little devils on here are absolutely stunning. This is such a cute stamp set. And so, yeah, there they are. Just love those. And I'm excited to play with both of these sets. These little girls can be used for not just for Halloween. They can be used for other things as well. Do you guys remember the Monster High dolls when they came out? These are very appropriate to those. And both my oldest granddaughter and my middle granddaughter were into Monster High dolls. So I can see making some birthday cards or just fun little thinking of you cards for them with these little dolls. Anyway, that's what I got from Love from Lizzie. And my Felicity Jane kit. This month is called Catherine. And it's such lovely pastel, pretty pink colors. Yeah, I'm good with this. You know, I have 3 granddaughters, so pink is way okay with me. I love this darker shade of pink and the lighter shade of pink with that shade of gray or green in there. And the back side is lovely as well. Love this diagonal stripe. It is that corally pink, that dark pink with the white stripe and then a scallop on the back. And then this is a little rose circle with leaves on it to mimic a rose. That's not my favorite, but I do love this paper, and that border is so pretty. And then this stripe paper, it's got all the colors to the kit in it. It's got the deep dark pink, the lighter pink, the medium pink and the lighter pink, the yellow and the blue or mint tone. Yeah, it's more blue than mint, and I love this one. Love that shape. And this is a really pale pink, and it's got a floral in white on it. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to catch that on camera or not, but it's so pretty. And that dot, it's not a symmetrical dot. It doesn't line up perfectly. This yellow with the hearts on it is absolutely lovely. I love that. Oh, and that star paper is fantastic. Oh, this is a point where I wish I had 2 sheets of this one. And then of course these solids, they are the dark pink and the yellow on one side, and then the blue and the medium pink on the other side. So those are just lovely. And I forgot to show you the June. They've been doing this in each month this year, is giving you the month card. I haven't used any of them. Doesn't mean that I won't. And then of course the introduction sheet. And then it comes with this alphabet in all the colors of the kit. And it's got the numbers on the back as well. You know, I could do with a lot less numbers and have a lot more letters. But, you know, that is what it is. This is the little thank you card that comes with, and it just says thanks for the order. But it matches the kit. The pocket page cards come, and on the back they're striped or dotted grids. Yeah. So there's happy in all the different colors, a yellow and white stripe, letters in all the colors. This is me in that lovely mint color, wider stripe, a dot. Oh, that star pattern on pink, the white star on pink, the floral, the gingham, My current faves, and that star pattern down the side. I love that. That one is not my favorite, but I do like it on here. It seems a lot less symmetrical than it did on the paper. And then a plaid. These are the puffy stickers, and it says today. It's got an ampersand, dream, good times, happy day, and love this. A pie chart, flower, hearts, tags. Yeah, super cute. This is the Essentials label stickers. This is I saw somebody's, share video, and I didn't, wow, that's a lot. So you have tabs here on the end. See those tabs? And it shows the color of the labels that are on that sheet. So you get the mint color, you get the yellow color, you get the pink, the light pink, the medium pink, and the dark pink. And you get dots, stripes, or lines and grid, and you get square as well as the ticket shaped labels. So those are fab. Love those. That's the first time I've ever seen those. I got an additional set of cards here. Pocket page cards. I'm guessing again it's going to be, these are double-sided. Okay. These are like borrow cards for books at the library. Library cards. It said borrower's name and date, author and title. Those are awesome. Look, that one has the flower pattern on it. Those are lovely. Those will be fun to play with. The die cuts come with the girl. It says a little life update, currently notes, about me, to chapter number 6, the number 4, my story, the number 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And it's got tags and flowers and, yeah, labels, hearts, lots of stuff in there to play with. And then these are the vellum frames, and there are 6 of them in here. A floral pattern, a grid, a dot, a rainbow, a stripe, and then that almost rose pattern. With this kit also came a stamp set, and this looks like it would be maybe a Project Life type, or a pocket page type, week in the life type stamp. It's got week in review with an arrow, and then it's got Sunday through Saturday, currently, loving, watching, reading, and then Sunday through Saturday. And then it says, I want to remember this, flowers and hearts, the word or the name Catherine, a circle, and a square. And those will fit those abbreviations or these words as well. So that'll work. And then of course I ordered the Catherine girl stamp. I love to order these stamps. They're so stinking cute. Anyway, that's what I got from Felicity Jane.